And welcome back to another video. Today we are getting Birdcode, and it's actually a fairly new restaurant in our area, so I'm super stoked to try it. I will show you what I'm getting and I'll show you where we are. Yeah, guys, before I walk out, I lost my tooth too in 1 week. Specialize in like hot spicy chicken. So what I got is I got a bed of like kale and carrots with a bun, and then I wanted mild because I can't really have too much heat. I wanted some heat, of course. I mean, you can order it without heat, but I wanted heat, and I'm super excited to give it a try. I would rate it a 10 out of 10. It was so good and it was perfect, and the mild was just the right amount of spice for me. Not too spicy, not too mild. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one.